Hello students, welcome in biology class. Today we are studying chapter cell, in which topic structure and function of cell organelles. Some cell organelles are studied in last videos like mitochondria, chloroplast, and now we are in this video study endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is single membrane bound cell organelles which is found in all eukaryotic cells except prokaryotic cells and mammalian RBC. Okay. Endoplasmic reticulum is firstly discovered by Keith Porter. Keith Porter firstly discovered endoplasmic reticulum, and it is found in all eukaryotic cells. It is short name is ER. ER is a irregular network of membrane bound tubules which is spreaded between the cell membrane and nucleus. Now we can see this is ER, or it is spreaded between cell membrane and nucleus. Interconnected irregular tubules make ER. ER is of two types: rough ER and smooth ER. Rough ER and smooth ER. Rough ER is that ER which have on the surface of ER is ribosomes are attached, which ER have ribosomes are attached on the surface. That ER is called rough ER, and which ER have no ribosomes is called smooth ER. So the two types of ERs, rough ER and smooth ERs. Rough ER is related to the synthesis of protein because of presence of ribosomes. Because we know that the ribosomes are factory of proteins, factory of protein formation. So this ER is related to the protein synthesis, and smooth ER is related to the lipid, glycogen and steroid synthesis. Okay, so this is all about the types of ER. Now structure of ER. Structure of ER. ER consists of three structures: cisternae, vesicles and tubules. Cisternae, vesicles and tubules. First of all, cisternae. Cisternae is a flattened, unbranched and tubular structure which is lie parallel to each other. This is a cisternae. Cisternae is unbranched and tubular structures which is lie parallel to each other. It is the main component of ER. Cisternae is the main component of ER, which is situated parallel to each other. Now second structure is vesicle. Vesicle is oval shaped and bag-like structure. Their diameter is 200 to 300 nanometer. The diameter is 200 to 300 nanometer, and it is found surrounding the cisternaes and tubules. Third structure is tubules. Tubules is the unbranched tube-like structures which is interconnected to the cisternaes to each other, or with vesicles to the cisternae to forming endoplasmic apparatus. Okay, vesicles, tubules are unbranched, tubules are branched tube-like structures. They have tube-like extensions and which interconnected the cisternae to each other, and with vesicles and attached with vesicle to forming endoplasmic apparatus. Okay, so it is all about the structure of a endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, now we are seeing the function of endoplasmic reticulum. What function was performed by endoplasmic reticulum? It is the function of ER. ER perform many functions. Some functions are written here. First is it form endoskeleton of cells. We know that ER is a interconnected tubules, network of interconnected tubules that help in the formation of endoskeleton of cell, which provide a definite shape and size to the cell. Okay. Second function is the RER is the site for the protein synthesis. The types of ribosomes, RER in rough endoplasmic reticulum is the site for the synthesis of protein, because ribosomes are factory of protein synthesis. So RER the help site for protein synthesis. The ribosomes are on ER. Ribosome attached on ER with the help of ribofourin protein. Ribosomes are attached on ER with the help of ribofourin protein. Next function is the SER. SER is site for the synthesis of lipid, glycogen and steroids. Okay, it's the function of ER. Next function, it helps in the formation of a cell wall and this plasmodesmata. Endoplasmic reticulum help in the formation of a cell wall in plants and plasmodesmata. Okay. Next function, it helps in the intercellular transportation of the substance. ER help in the intercellular transportation of substance. So these are the function of endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. Now we are studying next cell organelles, which is Golgi body. Next cell organelles is Golgi body, Golgi complex, Golgi apparatus. Okay, it have many names: Golgi body, Golgi complex, Golgi apparatus, and other names like dictyosomes, lipochondriones. So many names of these. Okay, Golgi body is discovered by Camillo Golgi, C. Golgi, Camillo Golgi, in 1898 in the nerve cells of oval. Okay, nerve cells of oval. Firstly discovered by C. Golgi, it is found in all eukaryotic cells except prokaryotic cells. Okay, absent in prokaryotic cells, and it is a single membrane bound cell organelles. Okay, its structure is consist of three structures: first cisternae, second vacuoles, and third vesicles. Three structures are found in their structures. First is cisternae. Cisternae is flat tubule-like structures. This is cisternae. Cisternae is flat tubule-like structures which is found in groups of 3 to 12 in numbers. They are found in groups of 3 to 12 in number, or 3 to 12 lamelles of group of lamelles. Okay, and the cisternae is slightly curved. Cisternae are slightly curved. It form two surface. One is concave surface and second is convex surface. Concave surface remains towards the cell membrane, and it's also called transphase or M phase. Concave surface is called transphase or M phase. Okay, and the another side, convex surface, is called cis phase or F phase. F for forming phase and M for maturing phase. Convex surface remains towards nucleus and convex surface remains towards the cell membrane. Next structure is vacuoles. Vacuoles are large rounded structure which is found in the end of cisterns. It is found at the end of cisterns. Rounded structures, large rounded structures, and the vesicles are small rounded structure which is found all over the sides of the cisternae or lamellis. Vesicles are found all over the sides of cisternae or lamellis. This is vesicles and this vacuoles. Okay, it is all about the structure of cisternae. Golgi body, and now we are seeing the function of Golgi body. Which function are performed by Golgi body or Golgi complex? So now the function of Golgi body perform many functions. Some functions are here. First function, the Golgi body, the major function of Golgi body is secretion. It is all mainly related to the secretion process. The secretory cells, which cells that have related to secretion process, in which Golgi body is found in rich amount, such as pancreatic cells, mucous cells, mammary gland cells, thyroid gland cells, in which Golgi body is found in rich amount. Okay, because it is related to the secretion process. Second function, it forms the lysosomes. Lysosomes are formed by Golgi body. Next function, it will help in the formation of cell plate during the cell division. Okay, during cell division it forms cell plate. Next function, it forms acrosome part of this sperm. Acrosome part of this sperm is formed by Golgi body. Next function, it helps in the formation of lipoprotein. Okay. Lipoprotein is formed by Golgi body. So it is all about the function of Golgi. Okay. I hope you understand better. And if you like this video, then press like button and subscribe the channel and share the video. Okay, thank you.